Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a bent up arrow on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this shape option and click on this down arrow. Now click on this more shape option. Here you will find this bent up arrow option. Click here. Now put your bent up arrow and you can increase decrease this arrow size and desired shape and see this, and here you can change this shape, border thickness, border color, and this is fill color you can add, and you can change this transparency, and this is border style. I'll make it solid border, and fill color also I'll make it this one, and see this. In this you can add a bent up arrow on your PDF file. Also you can customize your arrow, and also you can rotate this any angle and move it anywhere. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.